This is my vegan seafood paella. It is absolutely delicious. I'm getting started in my sauté pan with some vegan butter. To this, I'm going to add in some freshly chopped garlic and get started with my wild lobster mushrooms. Now these are only in season here in the fall. I believe the season closes out this month in October, so get them while you can. Here I have some vegan scallops and vegan shrimp. Both of those are gluten-free and soy-free, made with cognac flour. Saute those until they're nice and golden brown and transfer it out of the pan. In goes our veggies. I have some peppers, onions, garlic. I'm going to saute those, add in my spices, paprika, saffron, bay leaf. I have some vegan bouillon, some tomatoes.
Tell you that I need you.
Go ahead and add in your rice.
You'll get weary of my touch.
I am using jasmine rice for my recipe, but you can absolutely use regular short grain rice for your paella. I have some vegan sausages. I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rice with the sausage. Top it with some frozen green peas. Place the vegan lobster mushroom as well as the scallops and the shrimp right on top. Garnish it with some fresh parsley. And as you can see here, this is ready to go.